There are many different brands of log inserts that you can swap out your existing wood with, and we've included and compared both vented gas fireplace logs and vent-free gas log set in our reviews. Number 1, most popular. SureHeat BR018NG SureHeat Burnt. These gas fireplace logs from SureHeat are 18 inches come in packs of 8. These SureHeat gas log fireplace inserts are hand-painted ceramics logs stacked onto a tiered grate. The ceramic is made in such a way that the embers glow twice as bright as other logs, so it looks more like a real wood-burning fire. The SureHeat logs are designed to fit in fireplaces that are 28 inches wide at the front, 24 inches at the back, and that have a depth of 14 inches. Number 2. Flame powder, neon flames, natural. As the demand for these fireplace inserts have increased over the years, a lot of companies have started producing fireplaces of their own that tend to come in handy with a viable set of specifications and features to provide you with the best possible experience. However, from the list of the best fireplaces easily available in town, opting the one that suits best with your taste can prove to be a daunting task. Number 3. Barton Fireplace Decoration Petite Ceramic Wood. The Barton gas log fireplace insert is designed to look like an imitation of brown wood. It can be safely used with a variety of fuels including propane, ethanol, gel as well as with vent-free gas fireplace logs. We admire how versatile the Barton fireplace logs are, being able to use them with a range of different fuels and fireplaces. Whatever you combine the Barton logs with, they also look good, and have a realistic look of a wood fire. Number 4. Peterson Real Fire 18-inch Live Oak Log. The Peterson Real Fire gas fireplace logs are higher quality, reinforced with steel rods, meticulously hand-painted finish. These gas log fireplace insert are a little more expensive, yet are definitely worth because of their higher quality. I really like this vented option, they look as good as any ventless log set. These logs really do have fine quality details, and are expertly painted. They look good as soon as the fire is lit. Number 5. Emberside by SureHeat SureHeat. The Emberside logs are 6 hand-painted ceramics logs stacked onto a tiered grate and well presented. SureHeat state that this gas log fireplace insert is made in such a way that the embers glow twice as bright as other ventless gas fireplace logs. As it is CSA approved, it has the ability to warm up an area between 1200 and 1500 square foot with 99.9% efficiency. We do love the brightness that SureHeat managed to achieve with their gas fireplace inserts, and the Emberside is no exception to that rule.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.